Hi. So what is it called? We're about to do gallon jousting. So they're in like they're in like gross outfits because we don't want to.
I'm a boy.
Actual boys. Because
I'm not in a gross outfit.
all right. So yeah, do this. So that's Kelly, that's Amanda, that's Rhiannon, and Cameron's over there somewhere. Alright! Oh, that's Cam. No, that's Cam. Oh, Jesus Christ, guys. Oh my God! Oh shit!
Her cap blew up.
I don't want to go too close. Oh my God! Oh! Literally satanic skin. We can drink that! Ew! Random. Let miss, please. This video is all over the. Oh shit! Oh no! I'm getting far away from this shit. Oh my God! My mom's gonna be like, "What the fuck?" You might want to buy new shit. Ew, you got it on your socks.
Wait, move back. Come on. It hit my eye.
Oh! Satanic circle! That was very intense. Let's see how people feel about this.
That was really fun, and I'm sticking. Well, my hair's really sticky. I think I put like 50 Party! Can you see it?
Yeah, it's kind of gross. It's kind of greasy. It's kind of crusty.
Yeah, I didn't even put milk in it. I just haven't showered for a couple days. All my goals.
Working on my dreads.
Just all my goals in life.
Okay, well, goodbye. Okay, that was the milk gallon jousting challenge thing. This is our first video. Like and subscribe. The Cult 5. That was really good. Okay. Bye.